Hey on guys, and welcome back to another video with me, Broken Man. And today we are playing some more Lifesteal Minecraft. Well, what's now called Skybase. Yeah, okay. So I did a little bit of, me and Will did a little bit of upgrading. So we made this place bigger. We made a little magma thing right there, if you could see it right there. We upgraded the farm. It's only one layer, but we're gonna make it 2 layers. We made it bigger also. So, well,
camera stopped and the old things, well, it kind of doesn't exist anymore.
yeah, I told them last episode. I told them last episode that it's all gone forever now.
I wasn't there last episode.
I know. I'm
I
sad.
just wasn't existing. Like, it's just gone.
Okay, this episode we're gonna make a another island. It's gonna be the cow island. We're gonna have cows in it.
Did you already record this last episode? Like, the behind it?
Yeah, I did this last episode today actually. Which today might be tomorrow now. Or yesterday now, because this might be the next this might be on 20th, where it's 19th right now for us.
That's enough. I think that's enough.
It needs to be farther. That should be farther. Oh, I picked up my dog.
That's good enough.
We know one more? No, one more. No, did that? Oh, are you still alive?
You got me to water.
I'm sorry. Yeah, how much dirt do you have right now? How much dirt?
I don't know. I'm just going back up.
Oh yeah, I still have like 3 stacks of wood. Yeah, I need to also get some. So just make like just make a little area. Oh yeah, we need coal. We need a lot of coal. Because mobs are gonna spawn there like as soon as it turns nighttime. So we have to be ready. So grass?
Yeah.
Why?
Because look at everything's dirt. It's like a single piece of grass next to all the dirt. It's also grass.
You mean the seed? I have 46 seeds right now. From farming for like hours and hours. 4 actually, yes. Why? Why? If you need bread, there's some in the chest. I've made extras, don't worry. But I've also been selling wheat, because wheat sells for 3 each. So because we want a cow spawner. So if we get a cow spawner, we won't have to use wheat for bread. So don't take all of it. Only take as much as you need, which is not all of it. A piece of bread does not sell for anything, sadly. Sadly, piece of bread, you cannot sell. It's physically impossible. You try to sell it, it goes like, you cannot sell this item.
Yeah, it says like no.
Don't try and sell the bread, it won't work. Do you need more dirt? I mean, I'm going to use some of mine right now, but oh yeah, do you need a piece of grass? Like, do you need a seed or something? Because I have seed. I already have, no, not yet. We need cows. We need 9,000. We need 9,000? Well, we make fences. How do you make fences? I'll make them.
I can make fences.
Do you know how to?
Yeah.
Do you?
Yeah, I looked it up on the fact book. I got it from the big as much as I can.
Yeah, make as much as you can.
I'm 15.
Only 15?
Yeah.
Go. Look how much wood I have in. Look how much wood I have in the chest. Use that.
All of it?
A lot of it.
Like, okay, there's 3 stacks.
Use 1.5 stacks.
So there's the half and the.
I need the hoe. Can you give me the hoe? I need the iron hoe. Thank you. Looks like a scythe. Oh yeah, it's gonna turn nighttime soon. It's not good. Do that. Perfect. Now I just need a water bucket. Do you happen to have a water bucket? Oh no, I can just grab that. I have it right now. Okay, so which one is it? It's this one. Okay. Perfect. Boom. Perfect. This right here.
Okay. I have 60 now. Wait, no. Wait, not 60. I'm stacking 11.
Stacking 11. That's good. I like that.
I thought we should make this level for like long.
This level is gonna be more wheat, so we can make even more money.
And we're gonna put all the chickens and stuff.
The new island, remember?
Yeah. Is this like a mob spawner? Like a giant tower?
I know, brings them down to 1 health and stuff. Yes, I've heard it. Yeah, but we can do that sometime. But we're gonna have to make a tower. That's not this episode. This episode's about getting the farms and stuff. Yeah. Watch out for mobs.
Okay. Oh wait, we can't get a bed.
What?
We can't get a bed.
Why?
Because doesn't anyone have to sleep?
No, it's just people. I'm pretty sure it's just me and you. Because me and you are the only one, I think, in the area. I think there's like a certain area, so I think we can sleep. I think it's just like.
Everyone on the server has to sleep.
Well, do you remember why? Remember when we tried to find our village place again? Oh, there's phantoms. There's phantoms. There's only one this time. Ah, there's multiple. Never mind. There's multiple. No, I didn't want to go through this one. I did not want to go through the one with magma. No. Ow. Watch out for the phantoms. Oh, if they're stuck under the base, then we're okay. But if they're not stuck, then... Are you killing him? Is he almost dead? Oh no, there's one over our base. He's trying to attack me. Oh, I fought him back. I'll get this one. I'll kill him. I'll kill him. He will be dead. He will be done those forever. Oh, you wanna go? Boom! Boom! What? Ooh, I got 2 hits off of this guy. I'll kill this one. No, you do not try and interfere, because then you accidentally hit me. It's okay. I'm not gonna die. I'll be fine. I'm fine. Ooh, he didn't even get a hit off me that time. Come on, let's go. Let's fight back. Ooh, almost killed it. Did you get any phantom membranes from the phantom? We can sell it. Phantom membranes are kind of rare. Get it. Yeah, go get it. Quickly, because we can sell it. Oh, I killed it. I got 1 phantom membrane. These things can be sold. I'm gonna do 500. Boom. Try and sell one for 100. I overpriced it a little bit with 500, but man, we need the cows because I keep having to use the wheat. I can't. If I keep using the wheat, I won't be able to use any wheat. Oh, one spare wheat. I only use the spares that I have. So, boom, boom. Sell 3, easy. Oh, do you have dirt? They're all dead. You don't have to hide here anymore. Also, let's go over here. Let's start making this base. Let's start making this base. Oh, also, if you have any spare anything, just sell it. Like, I don't need this many seeds. I don't need this spruce planks. Oh, I can't even sell spruce planks. I forgot you can't sell planks, but you can sell not planks. You can sell logs. Okay, it's dirt costs it sells for $1. Wait, where'd you go?
I fell off.
You fell? Are you trying to speed bridge?
No, I tried to make a jump, so I'm right here. Now I wanted to jump over there, so I went up and I missed.
You missed? Oh, that's fine. Mistakes are made.
I tried to use it over there.
Already?
Yeah.
How'd you use it up already?
Over there.
How much did you get?
You need to have it over there.
How much did you get? How much of it did you get?
19.
You gotta get way more than 19. Phantoms! More phantoms! Phantom just attacked me. Where'd it go? There it is. Oh, Tech Geeks from Discord is trying to message me right now. I can hear him.
Who's that? Who's Texty?
Tech Geeks, remember like for the prison thing?
Oh yeah, that one to that club.
Yeah. Ah, they're gonna kill me. Get back, foul beast. I'll take them out. Yeah, plant those. Just don't collect them. I'll collect everything that we need. Ow! That hurt. It's during daytime. How are you not burning yet? It's not burning. How's it not burning? You're supposed to be burning. There we go. You're dead now. You don't wanna pick with me now because you're dying. You get away, Mr. Phantom. Ah, Tech Geeks. Why? Come on, die. Yes. No, didn't drop any membranes. Okay, so I need to desperately eat like right now because if I don't, I'm gonna die. Okay, put the rest in there. Ooh. What? You need food or you have food? I don't need that, but okay. Because I have my. Oh yeah, well, you physically cannot jump onto this thing now. See? It doesn't. This is perfect. I can run really fast, and it won't even count for jumping. What are you doing? Close that off. Close it off. Good. All the crops are gone. That's why it's there, because that's where the water is.
One jump. I want to jump. I want to jump.
You can't jump.
I want to jump.
I need more seeds. I need more seeds now. Can't believe I'm saying this, but I need more seeds. Do any seeds in the chest? Oh, yes, perfect. I don't have to say that anymore because I now have all the seeds. Boom. Boom. All the seeds have officially been placed. Until the third floor if we have... Oh, can you go get some more dirt so we can start making that now? That's your project for today. You just gotta make some... Make that little cow area. I'll start getting wood, so... Because wood, you can sell wood, and we don't really need wood right now. We can get it sometime later. Oh yeah, make sure to plant the seeds. No, not seeds. Saplings. Saplings. Definitely plant saplings. Saplings are very useful for replenishing the trees. If we don't get any trees over here, and we cannot chop down any more trees over here, and we have to go adventuring to chop down a tree. So make sure you definitely plant any saplings.
I found iron.
How did you... Wait, you did?
Yeah.
How much? How much?
One.
One? Eh, still good. You could sell it, but I don't think you really need to. I mean, usually you'd sell like 16, and you can sell 16 for like 300 or something.
Right.
That's usually how it works. What?
But we have like over the stack.
You know, but that's we use that. That's the iron that we use. We don't really need to use this one. Unless we really need it. Unless we desperately need it, we're not going to use it. Because we might sometime desperately need to use it. But not right now, so. Are you getting dirt? Good.
That's what we have.
How much?
2 stacks.
2 stacks? Nice. That can definitely make an island. I think that should be good. Get so much dirt. Get so much dirt I have.
2 stacks.
2.
Oh.
That's it. Just 2.
Wow.
Just 2. That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna help so much. 2 can make a whole island. If you really think about it. I don't know. Gonna drops. Okay. Okay, I've now officially made $47 by chopping down 47 wood. 47 wood. We desperately need that cow spawner. Because that cow spawner can give us probably twice, if not triple, the amount of money that we can get. And before we have cows, we can have chickens. And then when we get the cow spawners, we kill the chickens, and then we get the cows. So yeah, we're probably going to have chickens in there eventually, or soon. Boom, boom, boom. Perfect. Boom. Perfect.
So it's like a.
Ooh, what is this gonna do?
We need
Ooh, I like
$10,000.
9,000 you said for 2.
What else? bidding, and
What?
when it expires, the person who offers the most money gets it. It's bidding, and the person who offers the most money within the
Okay. Okay, yeah, definitely 10,000 then. 10,000 then. Get the 10,000 for one.
Okay. Cows. Okay. You said buy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cow spawner for 10.
$10,000 for it.
Yeah, $10,000. Yeah, $10,000 is the cheapest one that we can find. I found some for 15,000. I found some for 20,000. That's too expensive for cows. I mean, yeah, I know cows are expensive. Wait, maybe cows, maybe beef gives us a lot of money. I don't know, probably not though.
Well, if you like when you buy it originally, it's like 100,000.
Beef?
What?
I said beef.
No, like the spawner.
Oh yeah, spawner. How's the island coming along? Pretty good. Hey, how much dirt do you have left?
A second 46 small.
Make it bigger. Make it a little bit bigger. A little bit, because we gotta use like most, if not all, the blocks if possible.
Come here.
Okay.
That's way as far as you want as big as you want the island to be. The
What?
farther, the bigger. It's bigger.
I only have 2 blocks. Okay, this big. That big. I guess I can. Okay then. Boom. Boom. That's it. That much bigger. There you go. So that's pretty big. That makes it 4 blocks bigger all the way around. So you might need to get more dirt. I don't know. You might have enough, but you also might not. So it's gonna be a big island. It's gonna hold a lot of cows, because if cows keep spawning, there's gonna be a lot of cows, and there's gonna be too many cows, and then we just gotta go on a manslaughter. Just gotta kill them all. Did you say done? No, it sounded like you said done for a second. Already, really? Oh, yeah, just making 4 blocks everywhere, so. Done? Okay, let me check it. Let me check the after results. I like that. Wait, how much blocks do you have left?
56.
Okay, give me some blocks.
Give you half.
Could you do that?
Give me my block that.
2 or 3 blocks wider. Oh yeah, we also need coal, because that place is gonna have a lot of mobs spawning in. What? I don't think we need that much. I think we just need to use 2 pieces of coal and 2 sticks. 2 coal, 2 sticks.
What?
That makes 8 torches. Here, pass me 2 pieces of coal. Unless you already made them. Oh wait, no. Thank you. Do a little bit of this. Boom and boom. 8. Okay, we gotta. I need dirt in.
A phantom.
Ow. Right there. I'm just gonna place these randomly. Ow, they hurt. They just keep chasing you. They won't stop. Help! Phantoms are after me.
Bring them over here. Building, I don't want to get knocked off.
Just for that, you're going down, Greg. I'll call one Greg. I need more blocks. I need blocks so I can survive.
I'm going inside the
I fell. Inside the what?
inside the water.
Ow! They come through. They knocked me off of the water. Okay, ready? Get me. You're about to get me. He keeps knocking me. I died. TP ask. Here. Furious game. Boom, 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 boom. TP accept. TP accept. TP.